Hi everyone, we're going to take our day 6 class notes in 12.2 and we are again reviewing adding and subtracting radicals from yesterday. So I've created a worksheet. I'm going to work through 2 through 8 even, and then you'll work through 1 through 7 odd for homework. Okay, like radicals, they have to have the same radicand, and then you can add the numbers or subtract the numbers that are out front, and you keep what's like. You keep the like radical piece. If they're not like, you have to do some simplifying. Use your power sheet, use your calculator to try to simplify until they are like, and then try to combine them that way. So let's begin with number 1. Are these like? Yes, because I see a root 3 and a root 3. The root 3 piece is the like. I add the numbers out front. Why am I adding? Because it's plus. 2 plus 2 is 4 root 3. Are these like? No. So I work to simplify 8. Power sheet, 4 goes into 8. So I'm going to write this as 4 times 2 plus 1 root 2. I'm just going to put the 1 out front to remind us that that's there. I think that's important of seeing that. This is still root 8. This is perfect. It comes out as something different. This is not perfect. It stays in. So I'm getting 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2. Now they're like, they have that root 2 piece. We add the 2 and the 1 to get 3 root 2. That was number 4 if I said 2. 2, 4, moving on to 6. Are these like? No. This radicand is 5, this is 45. I know that I can't simplify this. 4 doesn't go into it evenly, and I'm going to put in my invisible 1. So I have negative 1 root 5 minus, now I'm going to break up 45. Finding the perfect square, the biggest perfect square that goes into 45. Start with 36, 25, 16, and then you're going to recognize it's going to be 9 times 5. Perfect. Not perfect. Negative 1 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Now they're like. They both have the root 5. Now I can focus on subtracting. Negative 1 and a negative 3. Same signs, add and keep to get a negative 4 root 5. And number 8. None of these are like. So I am going to go ahead and work on simplifying. Finding the biggest perfect square that goes into 20. Is going to be 4. So I'm going to write this as 4 times 5 minus 3. For 12, the biggest perfect that goes into 12, sorry, it's unfocused. Biggest perfect that goes into 12 is going to be 4. I'm going to write that as 4 times 3. And 27 is going to be 9 times 3. Biggest perfect that goes into it. Perfect comes out, not perfect stays in. Perfect comes out not as 4. Be careful, that's a common mistake that I'll see. Comes out as 2. And then again, same thing. This does not come out as 4. Comes out as 2. And I keep the root 3. Keep the root 5. Those are not perfect. This is coming out. This is staying. Comes out as something different. Negative 2 comes down. This comes out as 3. And then I have a root 3. So I get 6 root 5. Minus 6 root 3 minus 6 root 3. Well, I recognize that these are the only ones that are like. This one is not. So the 6 root 5 is just going to come down. These both have the root 3, so I'm going to take the negative 6 and add it with a negative 6 to get a negative 12 root 3. Negative 12 root 3. Now, these are not like, so I can't put them together. That would be my final answer. Let me know if you have questions. Bye, everyone.